The Allegheny Intermediate Unit has 10 family centers across Allegheny County. The people working at these locations provide a broad array of supports and services, including home visits, parenting classes, and they connect families to vital resources.
Anything at all, they can call us and we help them out in any way we can.
Whatever it is that you're probably focusing on the time that might be stressful, you just think about your kid. I think it really helps your mental health.
AIU Family Centers are community hubs that serve thousands of local families and children each year, delivering essential services for free.
So that's where they have multiple resources, and a lot of times they have them actually in-house. So they might have your resource manager, they might have somebody who can help with housing, and they might have someone who can help with WIC.
Our family centers recently attained the prestigious Blue Ribbon status from parents as teachers, scoring at least 80% in the quality standards set by the curriculum. Parents as Teachers is a renowned childhood development organization that gives parent educators and parents the tools and training to help children grow. Our Family Center staff are helping families continuously improve, earning Parents as Teachers quality endorsement.
I think it's a safe spot. It's a safe place. It's like family. A lot of times the families don't have extended family, so we're that family.
Working alongside Allegheny County, AIU Family Centers are home to a variety of partners, including the AIU's Fatherhood, Project Elect, and TIER programs. Our centers also provide resources including food, diapers, and educational items including kindergarten readiness materials.
I don't think I get the services anywhere else. The diapers really help. They give you diapers and formula, especially if you need that extra formula.
Some of our centers also provide opportunities for students by helping them enroll in the AIU's early childhood education programs, Early Head Start, and Pre-K Counts.
Really encourage the families to take part in that preschool process, and that will guide them into kindergarten from there.
We work with school districts, law enforcement, and community partners to make sure each family we serve has a pathway to prosperity and success. AIU Family Centers, where families can learn, love, and grow together.